Hello, everyone. Today is March 9th, 2021, and this is the lesson for today. Okay, so first off, our do now has to do with the word select. Okay, so in Shirley Jackson's story, The Lottery, the villagers select a slip of paper from blank, from a box. You know what? I'm not going to have you even do this, but just just understand the word select. Okay, so the word select is to pick, right? To pick something. Okay, let's take a look over here now. Okay, so we're on this is page 152. Okay, here we are, 152 and 153. I think we'll just do 152 today, and then we'll take a look at 153 and go from there. Okay, so it tells us, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to do kind of an analysis of the story, okay, the lottery. And what they would like you to do is they would like you to pick one character from the lottery, okay, that we read. Okay, so if you look back, there's all sorts of characters. There's Mr. Hutchinson, there's Mrs. Hutchinson, there is the boy who is picking for him and his mother. There's the man with the broken leg. There is I can't remember his name, that is actually in charge of the lottery, right? That has the box. Um, there are kids. Okay, so what they want you to do, they want you to pick one character. Okay, and then write a paragraph that analyzes the character's attitude toward the community's annual lottery. Okay, so you're going to analyze their attitude, how they feel about the lottery. Okay, so this prompt asks me to choose what? It asks you to choose a character that you will write about, their attitude towards the lottery. Okay, so basically, if right there you're what does the prompt ask you to choose? You're going to fill this part in. Okay, all right, so now it says choose precise language. In the chart, write two precise words that can replace each everyday word, then write two additional forms of each word. Okay, so I'm going to put these up here and we're just going to talk about it. Okay, all right, so everyday word is call. Okay, so I'm going to call blank. I'm going to call upon blank to help me with my homework. Okay, so the everyday word is call. Well, a precise word would be address. Okay, and then other words you could put like greet. I'm going to greet. I'm going to recognize. Okay, and then you have to put, all right, so greet, another form of greet would be greeting, recognize, recognition. Okay, all right, now we've got the word look over. Okay, so the word look over, surveying is a precise word for that, right? Okay, so to look over, to survey is to watch or to view. Okay, and you need to switch the words around and put those there. Okay, the next word is gather. Okay, if we're going to gather, we're going to assemble. Okay, at the gymnasium. Okay, all right. So now, like, we're going to collect at the gymnasium, we're going to congregate at the gymnasium. Those are precise words for the word gather. Okay, all right. So then you need to switch them over. So we got collect to collection, congregate to congregation. Okay, those are all kind of word families of collect and congregate. Okay, now we got the word talk. All right, we're going to talk about it. All right, a precise word would be gossip or murmur or converse. Okay, gossip and murmur are kind of negative in my mind, but it kind of depends on what you're talking about, right? What the intent is of your conversation. Okay, so then you need to switch the words to murmuring and conversation over here. Okay, all right, we're gonna keep it pretty short and sweet today. Tomorrow, though, let's take a look. tomorrow you're going to, so what I would like you to do today, since we're cutting it short, I want you to flip back through your story. Flip back and kind of look at some of the characters that that we can read about, that we can look at. Okay, there's even the old man who was like, they're a pack of crazy fools, right? Okay, there's that man who thinks that they're crazy in other villages to do away with the lottery, right? Okay, so you're going to, excuse me, big yawn. I almost made it through. Based on the words and actions of blank, the character you choose in Shirley Jackson's story, The Lottery, I think he is upset about the lottery, happy about the lottery, okay about the lottery, okay, whatever you think. Okay. All right. So then tomorrow you're going to be. So basically, what I want you to do, guys, I want you to look back through your story, and we will have that as your do now today. I want you to look back through your story, and I just want you to send me a. I'll have a text entry for you to turn in which character you're going to analyze from the story. Okay, make sense? All right, guys, have an amazing day. Please reach out if you have any questions.